Ooh, welcome back to iHeart Crypto. So, we had one hell of a day yesterday, and you know, could have been could have been predicted, right? I mean, in essence, all right, you came right up to your golden pocket. All right, you came right up to your golden pocket, got snapped right back down. All right, and what are we looking at for today? Now, today does not look promising on Market Cipher on the daily. All right, you're putting a red dot on your daily. All right, money flow coming down, VWAP pointed down. All right, 2 day, your RSI's were split. Okay, that was a good sign of a dump coming. I was thinking about that too. Now, here's the deal: is on your 3 day, you got a nice trigger wave on your 3 day. You got a nice trigger wave on your 4 day. All right, but money flow is coming out. VWAP is pointed down. All right, and you know what? I'm gonna go through this. Sorry, real quick. Is on some of these like crazy time frames here. Let's see. I think it's like let's go to these. All right, this is the thing that's got me like bugging. Is on your 18 day you got a green dot. On your 19 day you got a green dot. On your 20 day you got a green dot. You're about to print a green dot on your 21 day, and that you got a green dot on September 10th. Uh, you know, pointing upwards. Um, what's the 22 day looking like? Do I have a 22 day? I don't. Let's see if you got a 22 day. 22 day. Did I add it? 22 day, you're about to print a green dot. I mean, could they just be green dots that are marking a bottom that's coming? Because green dots usually mark bottoms. So, I don't know. You know, 22 days green at the moment. All right, let's go to your 21 day. I know these are odd time frames, but when you're not looking, a lot of people don't look at these. All right, so there you go. All right, let's go to Heikinashi's. Heikinashi's, I mean, you're getting a reversal candle on your 21 day, right? Your 20 days downward pressure. You're getting a reversal on your 17 day. You're still green on your 7 day, you know, and your weekly here. So your Heikin still showing uptrend. That's interesting stuff. It's just, here's the deal: is the stock market looks like garbage. That's the problem. Crypto looks like it wants to be bottomed. Crypto looks like it's done dropping. That's what it looks like. But on your stock market, right? Normally in bear markets, you get 3 waves down, okay? You get one wave down, retrace, second wave down, retrace, third wave down, bounce. Maybe double bottom, something like that, okay? That's normally what you get, okay? This is the problem. This is the problem, is the stock market, and Bitcoin hasn't seen this type of behavior. If you go back, Bitcoin was made, it was a little bit back here, 2015, right? 2016, there was this little bit right there, but then you go back even further. I mean, Bitcoin was created around here, you know what I mean? So, 2011, you had a little bit of a drop off in the S&P, right? But this wasn't a crazy drop off, compared to what it's at now. I mean, if you look, from 2008, I'd say we were about here, right? 14%, from there, here you had 20%. Here you had 15%. Okay, obviously, COVID. That this was this, black swan event. But here, what do we have in our S&P? What are we down? We are down only 16%, right? And at the lows, you were down 20%. Do we see, about 25%? to about 30%. 30% correction would bring you down quite a bit. Okay. You know, you got this fib level here that can hold for the S&P. You know, hold the highs here. All right. I think that if this golden pocket breaks, that would be really really bad. You're gonna look at something like 2008. You know, also if you're looking on your weekly, you know, you got a nice trigger wave here. Boom, down to the downside. All right. On the S&P, this might update, but yeah, your VWAP is pointed down. The daily doesn't look crazy bad on the S&P. 2-day money flows coming out. All right, started to come back out. You got a little fake out here in the green. Where was that? Yeah, that was your rally. You know, a little fake out rally. Money flow crossover coming back into the red. You know, there. Here's where you can start to get concerned, right? 3-day momentum is at the top, looking like it's ready to rock, right? 4-day, you're printing a red dot confirmed, you know, ready to rock to the downside. 5-day trigger wave, boom, you know, create a bigger momentum wave down here. You got the snake eyes though. You know, do you get another? The third green dot would mean, you know, pretty much that you've bottomed. You know, you got a green dot on your 7-day, but you got red dots popping up here. You make another uneven butt cheeks, right? So on your 7-day, you can get some uneven butt cheeks, as Jason Casper would say. All right, you get a lower low, uneven butt cheeks, bullish divergence, bear market over, and we call it a day. All right, boom. There's your red blood diamond on your 7-day. That should bring you down quite a bit. All right, let's see if it's on the weekly. See, it didn't show up on the weekly. Interesting, right? Interesting stuff. Let's take off some of these and let's just pop over. Let's put it back on our 8-day. Yeah, nothing really crazy going on there. Let's take off some of these higher time frames real quick. All right. And I am gonna just take a quick look at Sweatcoin. Let's just degen a little bit because I love these move to earn. I think move to earn is awesome. I think move to earn is great. So you got sweat economy. All right. Now I downloaded the app last night and it's good. Like, I like the app. You know, it tracks my steps. You know, and it's on FTX, it's on KuCoin, right? It's on Gate.io, so it's got some good exchanges that it's on. I liked that. All right, let's go to the website. There's 2 websites. Let's check them out. Let's see what the difference is here. It pays to walk. All right, so this is the one. All right. So healthier planet, healthier, wealthier you. How to spend. A few simple steps. Walk, earn. Choose from thousands of fabulous branded goods and services in our marketplace, from high-tech shoes to phones. And in fact, let me see. I don't know if I can do this because I have this camera on. Maybe I'll take it off. But I'll show you the app. I'll plug in my phone and show you what the app looks like. All right. So yeah, you can donate. I like that. I mean, God knows where the money goes to these charities, right? Those are all the sweat coins created. All right. Kind of a lot, but data privacy. I don't believe that. They do. I looked on the app. I'll have to show you. But let's take a look at price because that's what matters, right? That's what really matters. Sweatcoin, I was gonna buy some. I didn't get paid yet. Maybe throw like $100 into it. Maybe, I don't know. But you know, I mean, obviously you don't want to buy things when they're like heading straight up like this nonsense. But you know, I look at something like Steppen. You know, let's take a look at Steppen. Right. You know, Steppen started off like that, and it just kept going up. You know, and we were were we in bear market mode yet? Yeah, we were pretty much in bear market mode. It kept going up. So, you know, I'm into it. I'm into it. Let's see if I can bring up what it looks like on the app here. Alright, so let's come over here. Let's see. I don't even know. Let's see. I know it's something like this. You know what? Maybe I'll just look up a YouTube video to show you. It'll be quicker and cooler, rather than waste you guys' time. Alright? I know there's a way to do this. New screen recording? No. Okay, here, look. Let's just go over here. And we'll look at someone else's video. Who cares? Alright. Hey, that's me. Alright, so, Sweatcoin. This guy. Why not? Does he show the app? That's what we want.
Hello guys, that already added this change.
Oh, he does the whole review. He did a great review. I watched this yesterday. Go watch that guy. Nice if you want to learn about it a little bit more. I want to show you the app. I'm not prepared. I'm going to Sweatcoin withdraw money transfer to exchanges wallet connect. This is what we need. This is what I need. The thing is, on iPhone it wasn't working. That was one of the problems. So here's the app. Alright. iPhones don't have that little countdown thing. You can't create a sweat wallet on an iPhone yet. That's, you know, one of the things. I'm guessing it's coming. You know, this is like for Android. Alright. All this good stuff. Alright. Anyway, you can watch what's it called? You can watch like advertisements. It'll give you money for watching advertisements. Alright. It's really cool stuff. Just check. Let's see what she says.
Hi there, me. Here out there, this is their offer.
Right,
they show you the kind of things that are on promotion, if you can get it for 100% promotion or 50% promotion. But then one thing they do not do when it comes to first sweat coins for you,
let's see if she shows the app again.
Out of
there.
it. So the amount of invites that, like the number of invites that you have to invite.
I gotta go soon, guys.
Unlock a cash offer. You have to unlock $25 PayPal offer.
If you notice, like all these, like a lot of people, they're foreign. This is like a foreign thing. This is not like an American thing. Like America doesn't have that on here. Alexa, turn off. That's my alarm.
To unlock $100, then after $100 is $200, $500.
Here's another look at the app.
Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is very much legit, guys. It's very much legit. It's very much legit. So that
listen, nothing like this is legit. All right, there's no way that this is completely legit. But is it fun? Hell yes. There's no way that it is legit. Let's take a quick look at ETH. All right, as we skip around a little bit today. All right. We're looking at it on Heikin Nashi's 8 days turning red. All right. So what am I looking at for ETH? I mean, look, if you're going by your fibs, you're looking at a $900 ETH. All right. Do we think the merge is gonna be, you know, successful? How many hours till the Ethereum merge? Ethereum merge countdown. Let's see. I believe we got like 7 hours. All right. All right. The merge ready client distribution. I don't know what any of this means, but let's see if it actually happens. All right. So we got 18 hours and 59 minutes. Sweet. All right. So we'll see how that goes. All right. But ETH is getting a pullback for dang sure. All right. It actually looks like hot garbage. Let's look at it on the daily. The daily, you got a nice momentum wave there. I mean, Market cipher strategy, boom, momentum wave. You can enter here and ride that down. That money flow is coming down. You made a lower high on money flow. You know, 2-day red dot. That's not good. I mean, it's not looking good for ETH. 3-day split RSIs. You know, you got a red dot on your 4-day. All right. Yeah, this looks like it's ready to rock to the downside. I mean, 6-day you got a green dot, but that was on the 10th. It's kind of already played out. All right. And then your weekly. All right. I mean, this is why I look at the other time frames, because that weekly, like, oh, that looks okay. Like, but you look at like something like the 4-day, right? And it's looking like hot garbage, right? And you get in a red diamond on your 4-day. All right, and that is today. This is a brand new 4-day candle. Let's look at Bitcoin's 4-day candle. You know, Bitcoin. I mean, Binance. Look at the volume on Binance, and then look at. I mean, you come down and you start dropping here. Unless your momentum wave starts like coming down, you're gonna make bullish div on your 4-day. You know, you're gonna make bull div on your 5-day. Bitcoin looks pretty good. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, getting that green Heikin-Ashi candle on your 6-day. All right, you've had a nice little pop here. I mean, more than likely, you know, you get a blue triangle. All right, and you get a green dot right afterwards. So, not too shabby. I had a viewer. Interesting. Cool. So yeah, what else you got here? ETH on your daily. I mean, yeah, it looks like downside because of the stock market. That's in essence everything. Let's take a look at our crypto bubbles. Raven coin up. Raven coin's been going nuts. What's going on in the daily? Sell. What's up with the month? What's down? Helium down in the month. Rune. Not bad. You might want to pick some of those up. Solana down 26% on the month. I'm looking to get some Sol. So let's go to Sol, because that's going to be what we're buying on our next paycheck for sure. All right. So come on over to Sol. What's my good Sol chart? That's not a bad one. Neither of them are bad. I mean, again, here's your daily. I'm getting a trigger wave on your wave down. Momentum is pointed down. This looks like it's ready to rock to the downside any minute, right? You know, the weird part is, like, you got your daily looking like hot garbage, but then you got your 2-day. Like, they're doing the opposite things. If you look, it's so weird. It's so weird. Maybe we just get like a move, like a capitulation down. Oh, I'm frozen. A capitulation down, and then you just pop right back up. So that could be something. New screen recording. I'll float on top. Alright, we want to take a look at the sweat chart, because I mean, that was another thing. Alright, sweat coin up 40% today. Alright, wanted to pick this mother trucker up. Alright, what do we got? Let's go to our hourly. Not enough data on our hourly. That's crazy. I mean, you're not making any bearish divergence. That's good on your half hour. 15-minute, you are making bearish divergence, which could have played out already. Alright, so, you know, that could be all you got out of that bear div. Alright, so I would watch the 15-minute. You're printing a green dot. That could be, you know, them just coming back up. And then, I mean, obviously, 5 cents is where it's at right now. You know, it's like as far as like where the majority of people have bought in. All right, so I mean, if Bitcoin comes down, obviously everything else can come down. But yeah, nothing much to say on Market Cipher, and it's not gonna give us any information. All right, it's brand new, but yeah, I'm looking to pick up some sweat tomorrow. Can't wait. Hopefully, look at it just rocketing. It's awesome. It's just the hype train is here for Sweatcoin. Loving Sweatcoin. I love these move to earn things. I would just buy Sweatcoin. Just give me more sweat. I mean, if you're looking, I mean, let's see, 15-minute, right? Your momentum waves are at the top, but you look on something like the 5-minute. You know what I mean? Like, you're ready to pump. You are ready to pump on your 5-minute. All right. I mean, this thing could go up 100% today. Who the hell knows? I mean, what was the high? Almost 10 cents. So you're probably going to revisit this wick here. You know? You're probably going to revisit that wick on KuCoin at least. So yeah. Everything looks like hot garbage. Ooh. You're printing some blood diamonds on ETH on your 9-minute. Looks like it wants to move on your 15-minute. You know, momentum waves coming up, but anything can happen here. Let's look on your 1 hour. 1 hour, it's got some curvature to it. I would not be longing anything today. Not with those red dots on the daily. Not with your red dots on your daily. Oh, you're getting a green dot confirmed on your 4 hour. Little reversal candle. Interesting. I mean, if you're charting ETH, right? What do you got? You got a nice support line here. Boom. All right, so you're sitting on support, right? If you're coming down, there's your top trend line. All right, that's in essence, you know, you're tight in this little triangle right here. That's what you got going on. I mean, I think it's likely you come down, in my opinion. You know, based on the higher term time frames. You know, your 21 hour looks like hot garbage. You want to make another momentum wave down here. Okay? But things could come down hot and heavy if the stock market comes down. And all that other good stuff. Atom, you know, large momentum wave here. Look at that. Looking to come down. Right? VWAP pointed down. On your daily, this looks like you need to create some momentum to the downs. You know, you need to pick it up down here. You know, maybe you get something like this. It's a little guy, right? But you're all the way up there, so you're looking to come down. You are looking to come down to Goblin Town. All right. Interesting enough, like on Bitcoin, you do got your W formation. All right. Could it be a lot like this? And this has me, again, Bitcoin has me bullish. I mean, you got this little, look, maybe you come down, you make a lower low. All right. Where's our fib at for our, 12K? You know, that's capitulation right there. Let's say you capitulate, right? And then you get the green dot, you know, coming back up. And that's your bottom. You know, and you can break out. I mean, the bottom of the wedge, though. You also have the bottom of the wedge to think about. But how many touches have we got on the bottom of this wedge? Like, do you have to touch it? Do you really have to? Let's see. Yeah, you could get another touch. I mean, you can argue that this is all a touch. You know, the wedge starts from there. You know, so 1, 2, 3 touches. You don't really have to touch it. Okay. Come down to about here. You bottom out. You take all these vector candles. You know, there's one little vector candle down there. And this is on the weekly. This guy right here. This is what I'm eyeing up. they can take that's their last vector, except for this little guy down here. And I don't, unless the stock market completely capitulates, you're not going to see that, right? So what I would be eyeing up is this vector candle right here. This is your zone, 14K, all right? And then maybe you get a wick. You get a wick down to like 11K or something like that. I mean, this is on Binance, you know? I mean, because you have huge, you're going to be hitting huge volume right here to like 12K, you know, on Binance. You know, I don't think Coinbase has the same thing going on. All right, Coinbase, yeah, high volume there, 12K, you know? So, look, that's it. This is your last chance. Everyone gets paid on the 15th, right? Use that paycheck to buy some crypto. Use it. You know, here it is, right here. You come down to your 618 around 13K. Yeah, I bet you that that's your bottom right there, honestly, because of these fibs, right? You got a nice little range here, all right? Come right down to there. Will that take that vector candle? It'll take that vector candle. You can get a wick down to the 618. All right, you might not get the full thing. But, you know, that's why you're getting a green dot on your weekly, okay? I mean, on your 2-day, 3-day, Bitcoin wants to go up. It wants to go up, all right? But look on your 4-day, you know, on Binance, you got that huge buying volume was matched with selling volume. All right, that's interesting enough. All right, do I think we come to $5,000? I personally don't. I just don't think it's gonna happen. You know, I'm not waiting for that. Not with all these green dots popping up. You know, and a green dot on my 3-week chart. Not waiting for it. There's no guarantees that it's going to happen. So I'm throwing my money in. I'm waiting for that to happen. You know, let's see what happens in the stock market as well. And yeah, you know, here's your 3-week chart. Look, I didn't even see this. You know, if you're looking on your 3-week chart, you got a vector candle sitting right there, 15K. All right, that was never. Did they take it? Yeah, they took it on a wick though. They took it on a wick. You know, they can still take a little bit more. All right. That's the principle of the vector candles. All right, 2-day. Let's see what's down here. Binance, yeah. 2-day. Let's see if they on the 2-day they come back down for that candle. See, here's the difference. When I look, right? So this vector candle majority was not taken, right? And you're basically taking it now. This is what all this, you know, the bottom of the range is, right? People fighting over that. Now here, there's your 2-day candle right here. This green line is my line in the sand. That's where all that volume came in. They want this. 12K, 11K, all right, on a wick, at least. Or you'll probably revisit it too, because I mean, God knows. All right, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 12K. I'm looking for this. You know, it'll get bought up to all hell right here. That's what I'm looking for. You know, technically, I mean, yeah. I mean, if this is a poll, does that get me down to there? It gets me down way farther than that. It gets me down, wow, 6K. I won't. That's the end of the problem with that. I drew that wrong. I gotta go soon. I drew that wrong here. Because if that's the pole, you want to take it like this. So this would have been your flag, something like that, right? And then your pole would start here. Something like that. Now come down to the break. Oof. 7K. Look, it doesn't need to happen. If you're buying it at 11K, who cares if it goes to 7K? You know, it's not gonna matter. Just be buying. Look, for the next 2 months is the time to buy, in my opinion. And then you got midterms coming up. Things will get bullish. Things will start to come back up. Maybe you visit the range and you stay in the range down there, but take as much as you can and buy over this month and next month. All right, that's my plan. That's what I'm gonna do. We'll see how it works out. I'm gonna take as much as I can and just buy for the next 8 weeks. All right, that's it. Whoever was in here, good to see you. Peace out. Next one. Probably one of my students. Can't wait.